RAV4 has long been Toyota's sales champ, but the 2026 RAV4 GR Sport plug-in hybrid takes things in a radically different direction. This isn't just a trim package. It's a performance-inspired plug-in hybrid SUV with real attitude. Think of it as Toyota blending the raw edge of the old V6 RAV4 Sport with the cutting-edge electrification of its most advanced plug-in systems. Under the hood, the GR Sport combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, for a total of 320 horsepower. That's 18 more than last year's RAV4 Prime and makes it the most powerful RAV4 ever sold. Power is routed through a planetary type CVT, and with standard all-wheel drive, you get electric torque instantly to all 4 wheels. Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour in the low 5-second range, making this the quickest RAV4 to date. While it lacks the DC fast charging port found in other trims like the XSE and Woodland Edition, the GR Sport can charge at up to 11 kilowatts on AC home systems, meaning overnight top-ups are easy. Just don't expect rapid charging on the go. It's a performance SUV built for driving, not pit stops. Inside, Toyota brings the heat with a black and red color theme, contrast stitching, aluminum pedals, and unique GR Sport bucket seats with more bolstering than any other RAV4. You'll still get premium tech like a 12.3-inch digital cluster, 12.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available JBL audio. There's also a performance-inspired twist to the digital gauges, something that reminds you you're not in a standard grocery getter. Despite the upgrades, the RAV4 GR Sport remains a plug-in hybrid. Expect an electric-only range of around 44 miles, with combined fuel economy rivaling or exceeding 90 mpg. You still get the everyday practicality of over 37 cubic feet of cargo space in Toyota's latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite with everything from adaptive cruise to lane tracing assist. From the headlights down, the GR Sport wears its own face. A massive lower grille, aggressive corner vents, and blackout details give the front end a meaner look. Around back, a roof spoiler sprouts from the tailgate, and the rear bumper is loaded with black trim and sporty details. It looks ready for the Nürburgring, while still being ready to take the kids to soccer practice. Toyota didn't stop at the powertrain. The GR Sport features track-tuned suspension, stiffer anti-roll bars, and wears 20-inch wheels wrapped in Dunlop Sportmaxx summer tires, a major departure from the all-season setups seen on other trims. The wheel offset is wider, grip is better, and the chassis is clearly sharper. Beefy brakes with red-painted calipers help bring this electrified beast to a confident stop. Toyota's engineers clearly had the old-school 2006 RAV4 Sport V6 in mind, a model remembered for its performance surprises. But now, the power is electrified, and the control is sharper than ever. The 2026 RAV4 GR Sport plug-in hybrid is a fascinating evolution, a performance SUV with eco-cred, track-inspired hardware, and everyday utility. It's not a full GR Corolla treatment, but it's the closest thing we've seen yet in the SUV space from Toyota. If you want style, speed, space, and savings at the pump, this might just be the perfect all-rounder. A plug-in SUV with rally car flair? Only from Gazoo Racing and Toyota.